All right, back again. Thursday boots, Aviators. These are the unboxing of the Thursday boot Aviators. Before we start my Saturday, we're going to do today with the Liga 9. Drew Estate Liga 9. It will knock your socks off if you hadn't ate anything. Drew Estate makes really good cigars. They're really good. Construction, all that. That Liga 9, it'll knock your socks off. It's definitely full body. Anyway, going into this Thursday boot unboxing, Aviators. I really don't like doing the unboxing, showing the box and all that, but it is what it is, okay? So, oh, look at this. No bag, huh? You don't get a bag with these. Okay. These are Thursday chocolate Aviators. Chocolate brown. All leather bottoms. You can see here, this Thursday. You guys know who's following me. I'm a true 13 all the way. Said size down a half. I did. I'm going to try them on here in a little bit. But they sent a 12 and a half. Said made in small batches. This is Blake Stitch. I can pick it up and feel it. It's a lot lighter than Goodyear Welt. First look of it, okay. The last on it, it's really nothing special. Someone did tell me about this little piece here that kind of sticks up like that. See that? Whatever. It's nothing special to it. I mean, if I go to London a lot, I go to Europe a lot, you'll see this kind of last walking around downtown London a lot. For the price you pay, which is around about 180, tax you on and everything, you're gonna come up around 200. I don't know. This is not I'm not real impressed. Now I'll try it on later. I'm not real impressed so far. Leather all down. Leather. Yep, it's leather all the way down through there. So leather all the way down in there. Your heel here, like it'll lock it in pretty good. You got your wingtip broguing, like a little semi-wax cotton. This is supposed to be full grain leather. I don't know, man. I do like a leather bottom. For some, they say, oh, it's slippery. Man, you can take some like 200 grit, 300 grit sandpaper and just doing this right here and it'll stop all of that. But I do like leather. Guess that's one. Let's see what the other is. Probably the same. Oh yeah, man, no bag. I know in the past you guys heard me say, man, you could keep the bag and save me some dough. Yeah, I don't know, Thursday. Okay, let's say you're a car salesman, you're going to be outside on cement, walking back and forth a lot. I could see it. Because these will last now. These are Blake Stitch. And this is real leather here. All this is a leather stacked heel. You can clearly see that. This gets bad, you can take that counter off, take it to your cobbler. They'll replace it. You can see it's a good leather heel, great leather sole. Thursdays usually always use full grain leather, still supple for what it is. Usually before I wear them, I usually put on, I will put spear on these additionally just to keep the, I don't know how long they've been sitting. I don't know. I'm gonna try them on here in a second, but they don't look like, if you're a stylish guy, if you're looking for style, I don't see these as being style. You do have an almond toe, that's fine, but it's not like, it doesn't have an oomph to it. Like, oh, look at that. Other than the wingtip robe, I'll try them on here. Yeah, I don't know, man. No bag. I'm still paying up around 200. I can get some other brands that might have a bag. But I will say again, Thursday is known for their customer service. Let me say again, in today's time, we buy shoes online. We buy the shoes online. Okay, there's no store we go in and say, hey, you got a 12, you got a 13, So you have to know your size, you have to know the company. And in order to get to know them, they have to have quality customer service. Okay? I will tell you from first-hand example, even if I don't like a shoe from Thursdays, and please like and subscribe. I paid for these out of my own money. Thursday haven't sent me anything. Haven't even said, hey, how you doing today? How your mom and them doing? None of that. Okay? So, like and subscribe. It helped me out. Even if I don't like a Thursday, and there's been some of the sneakers that I'm like, I'm on the fence. I want to try another pair, but I don't really want to spend the money and get caught out like that. Their customer service is dynamite, man. That's what keeps you going in this online market is your customer service. Have I had shoes better than Thursdays? Yes. Yes. Is the customer service better in some of those brands? No. Merriman, great shoe. Now, I haven't had the Grand Stone. People keep telling me try the Grand Stone, but I got to break down $400 and go ahead and buy it and try it. Let you guys see if I like it and if it's worth it. I don't know about that one. We'll see, Grant. However, the Thursday, it looks okay, man. It's not stylish, though. The way the last is made, it's not stylish. It doesn't have any style to it. I'll give you a comparison. If I look at like a Merriman, it's going to have this kind of Oxford. It would be stylish. Even if it was a Derby or a Blucher, it still would have a little more style to it. This is like I said, if you go to London, you go to Europe, you'll see people walking around with these all day. They walk around with these at work. It's like a work shoe. So I guess it looks like if, let's say you were a car salesman or somebody, and you're going to be outside a lot. I know today everybody's wearing sneakers, whatever. But look, man, this is over 40, over 50. You know what I'm saying? Like, we need to look good. I get it, being comfortable. Some Thursdays, most of their boots I've had are very comfortable. Okay, I do have a loafer, a Lincoln loafer. I did a review on that. I'll probably put a description in the link. I was about it because the vent was short, and that's what I didn't really like about that. So I don't know. Thursday shoes, I just don't know. But let me try them on. I'll get back to you and let you know what I think about them after I try them on. All right. I tried them on. They fit good. Sizing them down a half a size is adequate. I'm a true 13 granite. I do have a narrow foot. I don't have a wide foot. These fit fine. They do feel like a glove on it a little bit. They feel fine. It's a Blake stitch, so I don't have to wear them for 2 weeks just to break it in because Goodyear welt you have to. So it feels lighter, like the Lincoln loafer I have. I don't know if I'm a fan of this. It's a chocolate brown. I don't know, man. I don't know. Do I recommend it? If you are a stylish person and you want to be stylish, no, I don't. If you're a Londoner and you're this is go to work, man, get on the subway, out of there, and this will be good. You work in the city somewhere and you gotta have a leather shoe and you want a little brogue into it, yeah. Date night, no. If you're a stylish person, going to play and you want to look stylish, I don't see it. Not for this price. Will it last? Of course. Thursdays is going to last. Is it leather? Of course. Full leather. Full grain leather. Leather stacked heel. Decently comfortable. Brogan is okay on it. But the last of the shoe, the way it's built, the way it looks, it's not stylish. If you're smoking a Liga, okay, or any cigar, you gotta have some kind of style. And these, to me, if you're looking for stylish, I would pass. I would definitely pass if you want style. But if you just need a work shoe that's going to last you 20 years, these are definitely. But if you want to have some style, you want some date night look, going to fair, even if you go out with the fellas, man, and you have cigars, this is not stylish enough. Okay, this is a work job. This is I tell you, a plane. You see people at call centers. Nobody talks to anybody. Everybody walks with their head down. They kind of just like, no offense, we work in the call centers, but you guys that work there, I've seen them. I went in, or people, everybody's in a bunch of cubicles and nobody talks to anybody. Yeah, you could do this. And now, if you want a little flair, pizzazz, a little, little Eddie Kane Jr., I don't see it. Without the Brogan back in the day, we would call them bus drivers. So, you see a bus driver wearing a shoe like this. So for me, this is no, because it's not stylish for me. Like I said, being over 40, man, over 50, we have dough. We can spend, we can buy. When we step out, we want to step out looking stylish and good. I don't see these do that. But Thursday, Aviators, Rogue, Oxfords,